How's it? I'm on my way cycling to the Littleton homeless shelter, and it's quite nice to see so many people on their bicycles that have been in lockdown. Sorry, I'm not wearing spandex, I don't look the picture, but yeah, I'm trying to keep warm. I think more people should cycle. It's actually quite a nice way to commute to your place of work and back, but you're only allowed 2Ks. Don't go all the way to Egypt. How's it? This is what it looks like at the lake during lockdown. It's quite bizarre, you know. Some people think this problem of littering is about, I don't know, I think it's about control, you know, it's about poverty. Nobody wants to be stuck in poverty. It's not a problem of race. It's a problem of self-worth. People have lost their self-worth in society. In society, people are under so much financial control. And what's happening now under lockdown is even worse, you know. People have no freedom. People have, you know, they're struggling. There's no connection. You know, we're told not to kiss, not to hug. Who can live like that? Nobody. It's unnatural. I'd rather die than live like that. Whether I get coronavirus or not is irrelevant. I don't want to live like this. This is not my idea of how to live. Hey, how's it everybody? My fellow citizens of South Africa, this is Cedric Peters speaking. I'm not the president, but this is just a friendly reminder that the people of this country are in charge. The government, you guys all work for us, not the other way around. So if you're going to abuse your control, we're going to take our country back. And wishing everyone in this country who loves this country, take courage and know that we all stand together against tyranny. So wishing you all courage, peace, love and freedom and strength. We love this country.